Hi. I'm Kenzo reporting for the Dog Shampoo Network, Science Division. What is graphene? Graphene is a one-atom thick, two-dimensional material which consists of carbon atoms densely packed into a honeycomb-like crystal lattice. This is known as a single-layer graphene. Bilayer and multi-layer graphene have also been synthesized in the laboratory. Graphene exhibits very interesting electrical, optical, mechanical, thermal and other properties. Electrically, it is a semi-metal or a semiconductor with zero band gap. Graphene shows a very low resistivity, for example, only 10 to 6 WCM at room temperature. A single-layer graphene film is highly opaque, it absorbs only 2% of the white light. The mechanical properties are exceptional. The interesting properties of graphene have led to an explosion of research recently in their synthesis, characterization of their properties, and development of applications. Promising applications include electronic devices, transparent electrodes for solar cells and plasma displays, composites, energy storage devices, and chemical and biological sensors. Currently, researchers are able to produce graphene by reducing graphene oxide. This chemical synthesis approach can now yield gram quantities of the material. It is also possible to deposit single layer of graphene on a silicon wafer. A technique called chemical vapor deposition allows growth of single or multi-layer graphene at 900 to 1000 superscripto Celsius. Two researchers recently received the Nobel Prize in Physics for their work on graphene. In 2010, Andrei Gum and Konstantin Novoselov jointly shared the award for groundbreaking experiments regarding the two-dimensional material graphene. The researchers, along with several collaborators, were the first to isolate the layers of carbon from the material graphite, which is used in pencil lead. What is the power of graphene? These are some graphene applications. Circuits. Graphene has the ideal properties to be an excellent component of integrated circuits. In 2011, IBM researchers announced that they had succeeded in creating the first graphene-based integrated circuit, a broadband radio mixer. Designed for wireless communications, this graphene-based analog integrated circuit could improve today's wireless devices. This is because graphene is the thinnest electronic material consisting of a single layer of carbon atoms packed in a honeycomb structure, and it possesses outstanding electrical, optical, mechanical and thermal properties that when used as a circuit could be less expensive and use less energy inside portable electronics like smartphones. Potential applications: graphene is stronger than diamond, but also lightweight and flexible, and it enables electrons to flow much faster than silicon. So its applications will impact most industries. Many researchers around the globe are exploring potential applications for graphene. For example, research suggests that graphene filters could outperform other techniques of desalination by a significant margin. And graphene may help improve solar power too. Graphene sheets have been produced that can be used to create dense arrays of flexible organic photovoltaic cells. It may eventually be possible to run printing presses laying extensive areas covered with inexpensive solar cells, much like newspaper presses print newspapers. The Chinese Academy of Sciences recently found that sheets of graphene oxide are highly effective at killing bacteria such as Escherichia coli. This means graphene could potentially be useful in applications such as hygiene products or in packaging that will help keep food fresh for longer periods of time. Graphene's high electrical conductivity and high optical transparency also make it a candidate for transparent conducting electrodes, required for such applications as touchscreens, liquid crystal displays, organic photovoltaic cells, and organic light-emitting diodes (LEDs). There will be few industries not impacted by graphene in the next decade. It may serve as an alternative to batteries, help generate strong yet lightweight car parts which can save on fuel consumption, and will have broad impacts on electronics and communications devices. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for listening and have a great day.